Hello everyone, this is Freelance Dev channel. Today, I'll show you how to create your own customized OpenStreetMap component with the React Native WebView. Google Map APIs are very powerful and React Native has the map package for it. But when you are going to use Google Map APIs, you should have your own API key. So, there are many alternatives to it. For example, you can see many kinds of alternatives. Being maps, here we go. And one of the things, Maps.me, OpenStreetMap and OSMN. OpenStreetMap is one of Google Map alternatives and it is fully free and widely used now. But if you are going to use it on your React Native mobile applications, you will face an unavoidable problem. Since React Native uses native components of Android and iOS, so you can't use web app libraries directly. Here, I'll show you how to create web OpenStreetMap on your React Native apps by using React Native WebView component. First, initialize your React Native project and remove sample codes. I've done already. Second, install the React Native WebView package. If you can install React Native WebView via npm or yarn, and then make a HTML script to create your OpenStreetMap. Well, I create basic templates for WebView just like this. Here you can see it, React Native website, this which is provided by Facebook. Here, well, you can see it on my code, this WebView component. I imported it from React Native WebView. Well, this is the basic example of OpenStreetMap. I will copy the source code of a source HTML script of it. Just view pages source and Ctrl A, Ctrl C, copy it. I will create a new file. HTML script.js const HTML script equals I paste it here and export default HTML. Okay. Now I can import this HTML script in the main code, on the main code. So import HTML script here, default, so it's HTML script. So I will change here WebView. I will change the source of WebView. So HTML script. So, HTML. Oops. Where was this source? Just a moment, I check. Oh, sorry, I haven't saved it yet. Then reload. Yeah, success. You can see the same uh, HTML content. Well, OpenStreetMap, browser, and the enumerator. Here, the same. Well, our purpose is not only to show an OpenStreetMap, but also make it interactive. So, for it, I use inject JavaScript of WebView. First, I make just like this, ref. Just like ref. Then I create a new function. That's like this. If these parameters are latitude and longitude of the target place. Let them run. Simply this reference name is map ref, so here map ref, and WebView has inject JavaScript API, so inject JavaScript. Here I insert the JavaScript just like this. I create my app variable in the HTML script, so I will inject JavaScript here, my map variable, and then I create several buttons. I've created necessary styles for them already, so only implemented them. Touch of opacity and text. Very great. Style equals styles dot button, and text its style is styles dot button text. Well, ouch. What's wrong? I will change the functional component to class component. Class have extends React that component, and then run the function. I will move it here. Let me check. Well, work correctly. So you can see the Belgrade button. I will create several buttons. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So several cities here. Tokyo, Madrid, Okay, three is enough. I create 3 button. You can assume assume it. You can. I'm sorry. You can guess these functions. The functions of these buttons is to move to the target cities. So here, when I press this button, yeah, this go to my position. Latin. I should input the coordinates of the cities. So here, Belgrade. Yeah, longitude, latitude, and longitude, just like this. So I here and here. Let me check it if it is works correctly. Oops, sorry. Let me check. Oh, capitulator. Sure, look at this. Yeah, here's the Belgrade. And then I input Madrid coordinates. So here I will copy this and like this. Tokyo here. Like this. Then I click Belgrade. We can move to Belgrade on the OpenStreetMap, and Tokyo. Here, look at this. And Madrid. Well, what's wrong? Something there is wrong. There's an error. Ouch. The position is not correct. Madrid. What's wrong here? Madrid? Where is? No, I'm sorry, there's... Well... Anyway... we can make interactive OpenStreetMap component with React Native WebView component package. I can add also marker here. I will change the JavaScript code. Then here, look at this. I can add marker here, marker here, marker. Just like this. Well, all done. We have created the interactive OpenStreetMap component. Just like this, you can make your own customized OpenStreetMap. I hope it is very helpful for your React Native mobile app development. Thank you.